In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for the Amazon Associates program. Whether you're a website owner, an app developer, or a YouTube creator, becoming an Amazon affiliate can be a fantastic way to monetize your online presence. I'll guide you through every step of the process in detail, so let's dive right in. First, head over to the Amazon Associates website. Once you're there, look for the prominent Sign Up button. Clicking this button will redirect you to the sign-in page. If you already have an Amazon account, simply log in with your existing information. If you don't have an account yet, now's the time to create one. The process is straightforward and involves entering your email address and setting up a password. Don't worry, this step ensures you have access to the extensive Amazon ecosystem, which is essential for managing your affiliate activities. Once signed in, the next phase involves providing information about the online space where you intend to promote Amazon products. This could be your personal website, a mobile application, or your YouTube channel. Amazon needs to understand exactly where their products will be displayed. Be ready to input the URL of your site or channel. This helps Amazon verify that your platform aligns with their affiliate requirements. If you have more than one site or platform, you can add those as well, so don't hesitate to include all the spaces you intend to use for promotions. Now, let's move on to the very important task of completing your affiliate profile. This is your chance to tell Amazon more about your business or personal brand. You'll need to elaborate on the nature of your platform, the type of content you produce, and your target audience. These details are crucial because they allow Amazon to tailor their services to fit your needs and help ensure that your partnership will be mutually beneficial. Take your time here, making sure to be as clear and accurate as possible. After filling out your profile, you'll proceed to submit your application. This step might seem simple, but it's essential to review all the information you've input to ensure accuracy. Double-check your website URLs, app links, or YouTube channel information to avoid any delays in the approval process due to errors. Once your application is submitted, Amazon will review it. Approval times may vary, but in the meantime, I recommend familiarizing yourself with Amazon's affiliate program terms and conditions to ensure compliance once you're approved. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to becoming an Amazon associate and can start leveraging the vast selection of Amazon products to enhance your site's offerings and potentially boost your income. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your application process.